Hey everybody, I got another unboxing video for you guys. This is the Aipa rifle scope from Amazon. Let's check her out. I broke the seal earlier on this, so let's open her up and see what we have inside. Alrighty. Alright. Alright, so you got a couple of little batteries, Allen wrench, wiping cloth, and looks like instructions. And just like a welcome and a thank you for your purchase. Alright, let's get that out of the way and get to the nitty gritty and get to the good stuff. So now this does come with a red laser. We open this up here and we can check out what this is like. Alright, so it seems like you can actually mount this on with the battery, as well as you can use this for a mount, and on and off. See, it's got the charger there. And open that up, and I can throw the battery in there. Okay. Comes with one in the box. I'll mount that on my rifle over the weekend and take it out for a shot and test it out. What else do we have here? Comes with, this is a complete kit. That's what I love about this. So you got the laser, and then it's got a really nice red dot sight here. I mean, everything looks decent. It's not, you know, it's not one of those expensive red dot sights that's like $300 or $400. But then again, this was very reasonably priced, and it's a complete kit. So, you know, you can make your decision as to what you want to do. But I like it. I like the weight. It's light, but it's still, at the same time, it feels like it's been machined well and it's good quality. Let's see what else we have. Okay. Just your covers right there for the scope itself. And then here's the bad boy. This is a 4x12 by 50. So it's got a nice, really big reticle there to see through. Really big there. And I don't know if, I guess the camera won't pick it up. Maybe it does. Let me see if I can get the lighting right. Nah, it won't pick it up, but seeing through this bad boy, I tell you, it looks awesome. But if you like the video, check out the link on the product below, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, guys.